Happy Saturday, everyone. I'm sitting here at Selby Avenue and Ayd Mill Road. I'm going to see how the brand new Ayd Mill Road in St. Paul, which is just opening today, how it is, how it's different, and I'll bring you with me. Let's take a look. Well, that's my tour of the new Ayd Mill Road from the Selby Avenue entrance to the Hamlime exit or light. As you can see, the road is 2 lanes going onto the highway and 1 going into the city. That ridiculous stop sign is gone, and that's good. And there's a bike path and a walking path. It looks like the bridges over the Ayd Mill Road are both totally open, so yay for that. And it looks good. We'll see how it looks after the winter, but I'm optimistic. Take care, guys. Bye.